Remember, there used to be a day when you could buy a can of soup for like 60 cents. Yeah, those days are gone.
Stir up the Campbell, soup is good food.
Hey guys, welcome to the Homestead. So today we're talking about soup. So Campbell's Soup Company is in full retreat mode as they had a vice president of some operation somewhere in the company who went off and told the truth, and it's going viral right now. So before we get into that, let me give you a quick update on our 20% off site-wide sale for all the shirts, the Stupid Should Hurt shirt included, over at Sanctified Supply. All of their shirts right now are 20% off site-wide. That includes all the Stupid Should Hurt shirts that we offer here from our channel, and then also some of the Farm Fresh Butt Nugget shirts that you can buy from our channel, including a whole bunch of shirts that they sell, some of their own designs, including this one right here. I just got this in the mail. It's the Proverbs 27:17, and it is the Iron Sharpens Iron shirt series. They have a whole bunch of different series of shirts you can check out, including this one that just came out recently. All these are available 20% off site-wide. Take advantage right now. If you've ever wanted a Stupid Should Hurt shirt, now is the time to get it. You can use the code ZAC20 on checkout. ZAC20 on checkout, and it gets you 20% off. All right, here's this clip.
We have shit for poor people. Who buys our shit? I don't buy Campbell products barely anymore. So healthy. Now that I know what the in it, even in a can of soup, I look at it, look at me, bioengineered meat. I don't want to eat a piece of chicken that came from a 3D printer. You?
So this was apparently recorded by a former employee, and it was a certain vice president somewhere in the company who was saying this. They were out on an event somewhere, and the vice president has since been put on leave. He, I'm sure, will be searching for another job, but he's told the truth. And this is one of the things that we've been talking about for years. For years, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the soups you buy out there are all garbage. One of the person who I saw posted this over at X, let me share what they said. I've not had Campbell soup since I was a kid, but dang. VP of Campbell was recorded by a former employee saying that the soup is for poor people and filled with bioengineered meat. He's since been put on leave, but you can probably find a different soup this holiday season. Newsflash, they're genius. All the soups are like this today. Every soup that's sold in the store has garbage in it, except some of the ones that are labeled organic. Like, I think Pacific Foods has an organic version of soups out there. And then you have Annie's, two brands that I do recognize, but I stopped buying long ago because they are insanely expensive. Let me just show you what I mean real quick. Over at Target.com, one can of Annie's organic chicken noodle soup is $4.29. 14 ounces. This is a normal can of soup for $4.30 basically. That is insane for soup. Soup, you know, soup, the thing that people used to eat during the Depression, because that was all they had, soup kitchens, because that was all they could feed people who were poor. Now you have to be rich. You have to be making six figures if you're going to buy, soup, healthy soup for your family and your children. And that's not the worst. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Walmart deal they got going on. Over at Walmart.com, you have a pack of two cans of soup selling for $15. That's $7.50, not including tax and shipping, for a can of organic chicken noodle soup. So yeah, the guy's right. You're basically buying, this is soup for poor people. It's bioengineered. It's full of GMO ingredients. All of the soup companies nowadays, you pick up any can of soup, any can of chili, any can of almost anything at the store today, and it's going to say made with bioengineered ingredients. I always love these people who post the pictures of them eating Oreos on Twitter or X or whatever, and I always respond with the same meme every single time, and it's Bill Gates showing you, hey, these are all made with bioengineered ingredients. You're eating fakeness. Nothing is real anymore. None of these ingredients are healthy for you, and it's not, the guy's right. The VP is right. These things are unhealthy. And if you want healthy food, You're going to pay for it, which is why if you want healthy food, what I have been promoting for years on my channel is to grow your own. Everything you grow, everything you harvest, animals, produce, whatever, you're basically printing your own money. So I have, for the last year, we've been harvesting our chickens. We've been raising some meat birds. I'm actually going to have chicken for lunch today. One of my meat birds that we put into the freezer. I have been saving all the legs for that. I will be making my own soup broth coming up here just in a few weeks or maybe a month or so, because winter is the time I normally do that. You're printing your own money and you're getting real food, which is why I tell people when you're homesteading, you're doing all these things. This is the only way you're going to get real today. Everything else is fake. Nothing is real. I just cannot. The guy's not lying. The VP was fired or put on leave for telling the truth and only saying what is really happening out there. You have people who are buying this fake food, and those are people who are poor. They don't know any better. They're uneducated. And, they're a bunch of public school students. All the homeschoolers are buying, and people who are switched on enough to know they're buying or they're making their own food these days, or they're just rich and then they're buying the real food. You're either going to buy the real food and pay out the wazoo for it, or you're going to grow it and harvest it and produce it and put it in your pantry yourself. That's it. That's your only two options. That's for real food. That's what you're going to do for real food today. But what do you think? I'm interested to hear your thoughts. This came out just the other day, or just yesterday, I think I saw that. I saw a bunch of memes going around with Nancy Pelosi walking through the halls of Congress saying, "Sell Campbell stock, sell Campbell stock." I'm like, what's going on here? And then I found this clip, and that's what's going on here. So if you're wondering what's going on with Campbell's the last couple of days, this is what's going on. Want to hear your thoughts below? Listen, it's fall. Right now is the time to be putting away your, butchering your animals, putting away your stock, making your own stock, and getting all these things packed, butchered, and ready for storage for the coming spring and summer for the next year. The 20% off site-wide sale over at Sanctified Supply is happening. It's code ZAC20. That's the coupon code ZAC20. And if you use this coupon code, you're going to be able to get 20% off everything in the store. And for orders over $100, they ship free. It's free shipping. So if you're interested in the Stupid Should Hurt shirt, you buy one for everyone in your family, because you know everyone in your family needs a Stupid Should Hurt shirt, because if we had more hurt in this world, we'd have an awful, awful lot less people eating bioengineered food ingredients, which is why so many people are diseased and sick today, because it hurts. Stupid should hurt, and it does. So get everyone in your family a Stupid Should Hurt shirt, spread the love, and it's a great conversation starter. You will be the center of attention when you wear these shirts out in public, I guarantee you. So check that out over at sanctifiedsupply.com. The link is in the description below. You can click on that link and just make sure you put in ZAC20 for your 20% off discount code. And check out their other shirts too, including this one here, the Iron Sharpens Iron shirt, the Proverbs 27:17, fantastic shirt. And they got a whole bunch of other shirts that I love wearing over at sanctifiedsupply.com. All right, guys, see you next time in the homestead. Bye. One of the best perks about living off-grid is that I never pay an electric bill. I love being my own power company, but that means when things go wrong, I have to be the one on call. So I try and use reliable components for my power production. For the last couple of years, I have been promoting OUPES solar generators. I've been using them and abusing them, and as it turns out, they are pretty good products. They have power generators for all occasions, and they can be charged by permanent or portable solar panels, as well as AC power. They offer true lithium iron phosphate batteries, and this is important. Recently, a family in my area had a different brand that uses the less stable nickel manganese cobalt, or NMC type batteries. The unit caught fire in the middle of the night. It was a scary situation, and it caused damage to the home, but thankfully nobody was hurt. The generator, as you can see, was a total loss. This drives home the point on why it's so important to employ solar generators like the OUPES brand that uses the much more safe and stable technology of lithium iron phosphate, otherwise called LiFePO4. They offer small generators for travel or for powering an entire home and everything in between. These are great backups to have in a medical emergency, or to power a freezer full of your favorite meat products, or as I have shown in past videos, for even backup AC and DC power sources for ham radio communications. If the grid goes down, you're going to be thankful you have one of these units. You can find the link in the description of this video, or click on the banner ad found on the front page of our website at AmericanHomestead.com. Right here, that banner ad right there on AmericanHomestead.com. Hey guys, did you know you can become a patron of an American Homestead? They get access to private videos, and we send them gifts from the homestead that we make here on the homestead. And we also enter our patrons into special giveaways that are only available to them. And before you go, please check out these other great videos. Go ahead, click. I'll wait.